Welcome to Love to Tutu Boutique, where we love to make lovely, fluffy tutus for you and your loved ones. You know, there are many ways that people love to wrap their tutus, but today I'm going to show you how I like to wrap my tutu. Here is a tutu that I have for a lovely customer, lovely and fluffy. It's red, green, and white. Now let's begin. You're going to take your tutu, make sure that there's no tangles in it. After that, you're going to put it together, and right in the middle, you're going to fold it in half. After it's folded in half, you're going to hold it and put it together as if you're putting a ponytail in a scrunchie. Make sure that the tulle stays straight, and it will look like this. Once it's all straight, I'm going to set it down. In the middle of your wrapping paper. I fold my wrapping paper over and I press down so that it keeps its shape, and I continue to roll. Once it's rolled all the way, I get my tape and I tape all the way across where the end meets the middle. I go to the side, press inwards, and I fold it inwards and go up. Once it's like that, I get some more tape. And tape it along the top. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So it will look like this. This is what the package looks like when you're done wrapping the tutu. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope this helps.